How do you stop the iPhone recording in a slow motion? Let me talk about it. And if this is your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are more things which you might mean by that. I know a lot of people who don't like the 60 FPS footage, which makes things a lot smoother, and you might feel like it's the thing like kind of slows down the footage. But whenever you open up the camera and switch to the regular video mode, you can adjust the frame rate by clicking on it, and you can make it go 60 FPS is probably going to be looking much smoother. And if you don't like that, and if you consider this to be like automatically recording in slow motion, you can turn that off. But also the dedicated slow motion tab is right there at the bottom. So you just want to make sure that you are in the regular video mode, but when you open up the camera for the first time, it's not going to default to the slow motion, right? It will always go to the regular photo and the regular video first. So that is, how it's set up to be. When it comes to the settings of the camera, you can find it as a dedicated menu in the main settings app. And there is an interesting thing which is called preserve settings. And you can see that there is some things, some changes, which as long as you make them, they're going to stay that way. So you can decide, for example, that the resolution or camera mode is going to stay exactly as it is, right? So if you feel like that, you open up the camera and you just get to the slow motion and have the camera mode saved and preserved, it might happen that you open up the camera and it just goes to the slow motion mode right away. So that's the thing that you probably want to turn off if you feel that your camera is always going to that mode. So I really hope that it was either one of those two things and that I could actually help you out with it. Let me know about the situation below. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for the next tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.